Good morning children, welcome back to social class. We already in which lesson? Block 15, local governing bodies, right? In our last LP what we had discussed and what we had learned? We had learned that there will be a one local governing body in villages who can take care of the people and people problems. We will call it as Grama Panchayat. We will call it as a Grama Panchayat. And there will be one head for the Grama Panchayat. What we will call him as? We will call him as Sarpanch and Pradhan. How many members will be there in the Grama Panchayat to support this head of the Grama Panchayat? 5 or more than 5. What is this Grama Panchayat? Grama Panchayat is a local governing body who takes care of the problems of the people who lives in villages, right? So today we are going to see about the towns. So what is it in our LP2? There will be one local governing body in cities and towns too. What we will call it as? We will call it as a municipality, right? What is this municipality? Municipality is also another local governing body in which look after the people problems, but where? In villages or in cities? In cities, yes. A local governing body which works in cities or towns to look after the people and take care of the problems of the people, we will call it as a municipality. How we are going to see the problems of the cities? What do you think, that village people and city people will have the same problems? They will have to face the same kind of a problems, or they will have different kind of a problems when you come to the villages and when you come to the cities? Here you have to understand one thing children, when you compare the cities with the villages, then cities have to face more problems compared to the villages. Why? What is the reason? Because if you see, villages will have less population, but in cities and towns comparing to the villages, we will have more population, it will be more crowded. The cities and towns will be more crowded than the villages, will definitely have more population. When we have more population, then obviously we are going to see more problems, right? We have to face more problems than the villages. Then what do you think? Definitely we need one governing local body, or we don't need governing body to take care of all problems who lives in cities, the problems of the people? Yes, definitely we will need one local governing body in cities and towns too, who can take care of the people needs and who can take care of the people problems. Today we are going to read a story again from our textbook to understand what are the problems of the people who lives in cities. Yes, so please everyone open your textbook, block number 15, local governing body, to understand the problems of the people who lives in towns. Okay. Children, did you all open your textbook, block 15, local governing body? Today we are going to read another story from our textbook. It's about a town which called as Roopnagar. Okay, so please follow me by keeping your finger. Okay, yes. Roopnagar. Roopnagar is a town in village in which many people live. Roopnagar is a town in which many people live. They have many problems. They do not have electricity at night and people are scared to go out in the dark. There is also a lot of garbage lying all around which cows and dogs are feeding on. People cannot open their windows because of the bad smell from the rotten garbage. The people are angry. They have sent a letter to the municipality. The municipality is a group of people who take care of cities and towns. They are chosen by the people living in the city or town. Can you think about how to solve their problems? Yes. So we will discuss about the problems of the people who lives in Roopnagar. Okay. So what is the story that we had just now? We have read about town or city or village. Yes. We have read a story about called Roopnagar. It is a town, and we have read about problems of the people who lives in Roopnagar. Roopnagar is a town. So what are the problems that the people are facing? There is no electricity at night times, and they are facing a problem of garbage. garbage, right? So what I said, when people or population or when comparing to the villages, cities and towns will have much crowded than the villages, right? They will have more population in the cities or towns. When you have much population or it is more crowded than the villages, obviously the garbage will also be more comparing to the villages. So what the people will do? Most of the time people will throw their garbage on the roads only. Even though the municipality is sending the this garbage collecting people also, obviously people always throw the garbage on the roads. Do you think it's a good idea, good thing to do? No, never throw any garbage on the roads, and don't let others to do the same thing, okay? So this is not only any governing body, this is our responsibility also. Yes, come back to the lesson please. So we are talking about a Roopnagar, which is a town, and we are talking about the problems of Roopnagar village people, Roopnagar town people are facing. What are the main problems that they are facing? There won't be no electricity at night times, and people are very scared to go out in the night times because it is very dark. People can't walk in the dark. And what is the another problem? A lot of garbage is lying on the Roopnagar streets. Because of that garbage, they are getting very awful bad smell, and on that garbage, cows and dogs are feeding on that garbage, right? So when we have our dogs, we also have a threat of dog bites, right? We also have to face the threat of dog bites. So these are the problems. So what do you think? These problems are common to the village people and as well as city people? Yes, there would be no electricity and garbage problems are the same problems whether the people who lives in villages or the people who lives in cities, right? But comparing to the villages, there is a lot more chances to face a big problem in the cities or towns. So who is that person? Going to take these problems, or who is that person who sort out these problems in cities or towns? What we will call that local governing body? Yes, we already learned in LP2. What we call it as? Yes, we will call it as a municipality. What is this municipality? What it does? A municipality is a local governing body of cities or towns. A municipality is a local governing body, cities or towns, which take care of the people's problems in cities and towns, not in villages, Nana. Villages, who will take care of the problems of people? Yes, there will be a Grama Panchayat, and there will be a head of the Grama Panchayat. We will call him as a Sarpanch and Pradhan, and there will be a 5 members of Grama Panchayat. These local governing bodies will take care of the problems of the people. But when you come to the cities or towns, what we will call it as local governing body in cities and towns? Municipality. Do you think that we definitely need a municipality in cities and towns? Yes, definitely. Because the population is more than the villages and crowd is more than the villages, definitely problems also will be more than the villages. So definitely we need one local governing body who can take care of the problems of the people. Definitely we need one person who will look after the problems of the people. So how we have a head of the person in Grama Panchayat? What we call him as Sarpanch or Pradhan, right? Like that only. In the municipality also there will be one head person in the municipality. There will be one head. What we will call him as? We will call him as chairperson. We will call him as a chairperson. And who will choose this chairperson? Similarly, how the Sarpanch or Pradhan will be chosen? Who will choose him? The people who live in villages will choose him as their Sarpanch or Pradhan, right? Similarly, the people who live in cities and towns, they will choose this chairperson. They will elect this chairperson to be their head of the municipality. So, how they will choose and what qualities they have to base on to choose a chairperson of municipality? On the basis of qualities means they must be honest, hardworking, and they have to understand the problems of the people, and as well as they have to be friendly nature. So these are the qualities we have to check which the person is expected to be our chairperson of municipality. So what the municipality will do in cities and towns? They will solve the problems of the people, like if they don't have any good electricity, if the garbage is lying on the roads, if they don't have good roads, and if they don't have water also. So they will definitely provide all these things, right? What we have learned in Grama Panchayat, that state government will give some funds. According to those funds, according to the main problem, which is the biggest problem of the particular area, that problem will be first sorted out by the municipality. So this is how municipality will work. What we had, see the Roopnagar people, the Roopnagar people are facing no electricity and no garbage. So first thing what we need, definitely we need electricity. So first the problem must be take care of the municipality will be electricity, right? So did you all understood what we call it as a local governing body of city or town? We will call it as a municipality. So the local governing body of city or town, what we call it as a municipality, and head of the municipality we will call him as a chairperson. And so what this chairperson or municipality will do? It will take care of the problems of the people. If they don't have a good road, good water, there is no electricity, there is a lot of garbage lying on the roads, they will take care of the problems of the people. So how this chairperson will be elected? He will be elected of the people who live in cities and towns. What is a municipality? Municipality is a local governing body of city or town which take care of the people's problems. Okay, Nana? So everyone please open your volume. Okay, we are in the lesson of block 15, local governing bodies, and we already completed up to S3 in volume. Now please open S4, municipality. What is a municipality? Municipality is a local governing body of city or village. Yes, it is a local governing body of cities and towns, not in villages. So everyone please once observe this picture. Yes. So what you see in this picture? There are a lot of people who are trying to fill their buckets and pots with the water. Yes. So what is this? This is a water tank. They are filling their buckets with the water by taking help of water tank, right? So everyone please read out the first question. Take the problem that these people are facing. What do you think here? The people, the people. What is the problem that people are facing here? Yes, you know answer very well, right? So A, no lights, no school, no hospital, no water. What is the problem of the people here? They stood here. For what they stood here in this picture? Yes, tick that answer. And after that, now come to the table. So who can help them in this situation? So first table is what about? What is the problem here the people are facing? So here you have to write who can help them in this situation. So here they are facing one problem now. So we are talking about municipality. So municipality will be in which area? Villages or cities or towns? Yes, it will be in cities and towns. So what do you think? Who can help them in this situation? You just give your answer. Now write one way in which they can be helped. So municipality, so cities and towns will help the people who will help that local governing body. What we will call it as municipality. So how this municipality will help? What do you think? Just give your answer. Now write one more problem that people in cities may face. Apart from this water problem, what are the other problems that people who live in cities can face? Yes, just give another answer, another problem. Don't write about water. Okay, Nana? Because we already finished. So please complete your volume and send through WhatsApp. I hope everyone understood the lesson. Thank you.